Hey guys, welcome back. So first off, you might want to turn your volume all the way down or really low because I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of wind noise and a lot of big rigs going by. I'm at my local Walmart and I just got done dropping off my used oil from my oil changes, and I really like doing it after hours when no one's around, so I don't have to talk to anybody. And I know that sounds terrible, but ain't it the truth? So I thought I would take this opportunity to do a walk around with all of my LED bulbs. I realized I've got a bunch of individual videos, but none that's showing all of them. So I'm gonna get out and open all the doors and give you a little walk around. All right, here we go. So if you can still hear me, I'll put a link in the description of all the bulbs I'm using and the timestamps of all the important parts. So this is the rear of the car. There's the back 3/4. There's the side view. There's the front 3/4. There's the front. There's another 3/4 view. There's another side view. And the last 3/4. All right, let me show you the trunk. All right, now let's go to the engine. Okay, now I'm gonna shut the car off and put it in reverse and turn on the emergency flashers so we can see the reverse lights and the flashers. Let's go around to the front. Okay, I think that should do it. By the way, I'm also going to do this on my Vic, so I'm going to go home and get it and come right back. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.